In this video, I will show you how to undo a contact sync change in Google Contacts. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, you can quickly check what changed. For example, if you recently imported a backup file, you'll see those contacts instantly. If something doesn't look right, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Undo Changes. Here, Google lets you roll your contact list back to any point in the past 30 days. You can choose from preset options like 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, or you can set a custom date and time. Pick the moment before the unwanted sync or deletion happened, then click Confirm. Google will restore your contacts to that exact state. After a few seconds, refresh the page to verify everything looks correct. If you changed your mind, you can even undo the undo by repeating the same process and choosing a different point in time. And that's how to undo a contact sync change in Google Contacts.